Hello everyone. Today we are making delicious homemade sushi. Two amazing varieties. One is made with soft, flavorful chicken and the other with fresh, tasty tuna. Both are combined with fresh vegetables like creamy avocado, crunchy carrot and refreshing cucumber to give you a perfect balance of taste and texture. Sushi is not only beautiful to look at, but it is also a very healthy meal option. It is made with rice, fresh ingredients, and minimal oil, making it light, nutritious, and satisfying. The vegetables add vitamins and fiber, while chicken and tuna provide good protein for your body. Sushi originally comes from Japan, where it has been enjoyed for centuries. It started as a way to preserve fish using fermented rice, but over the time it evolved into a fresh and delicious dish we know today as sushi. Today, sushi is loved all around the world. People enjoy it in restaurants, at home, and even as a quick, healthy meal. It's perfect for lunch, dinner, or even special occasions because of its fresh taste and beautiful presentation. With every bite, you get softness from the rice, freshness from the vegetable, and rich flavor from chicken and tuna. It's simple, clean, and full of natural goodness. So, if you're looking for a healthy, delicious, and easy to make meal, this homemade sushi is definitely something for you should try. Let's get started. Now let's see the simple ingredients we need to make this homemade sushi. I have 500 grams of sushi rice, or you can use any sticky type of rice. The rice is already cooked according to the packet instruction and ready. For filling, I have small can of tuna. I have mixed it with mayonnaise and little mustard cream to make it nice and creamy. I also have cooked a chicken breast for another variation. For the vegetables, I have carrot strip which I cooked in the microwave about 2 minutes and along with fresh cucumber strip and 2 sliced avocados. To season the rice, I am adding half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then I'll pour in about a quarter cup of sushi vinegar or rice vinegar. This step is very important because it gives the rice that classic sushi flavor. I also have about a half a cup of roasted sesame seed. This is optional, but if you can add it, it gives a really nice taste and texture. You can even add crushed peanut or if you like. Now, this is seaweed sheet, also called nori. We will need a few of these to make our sushi roll. And this is bamboo rolling mat known as makisu. This helps us roll the sushi neatly and tightly. The seaweed has two sides, one shiny and one rough. Place the shiny side down on the mat and the rough side facing up. Now spread the layer of rice over the seaweed. You can see how sticky the rice is after mixing with vinegar, salt, and sugar. This stickiness helps hold everything together. You can spread a thin layer of rice, but since I am making this for family, I am adding a little more to make it more filling. Now, when spreading the rice, don't cover the entire seaweed sheet. Leave about one fourth of it empty at the top. This helps seal the roll properly. First, I am making a chicken sushi roll. For the sauce, I have mixed mayonnaise with a little bit of mustard to create a simple creamy sauce. Spread a small amount over the rice. This adds extra flavor and makes the roll more delicious. Now place the chicken in a line closer to your side of the seaweed. Then add your vegetables, carrot, cucumber, and two slices of avocado for the creamy texture. Now it's time to roll. Lift the bamboo mat and gently roll it forward over the filling. Use your fingers to hold everything in place while rolling. Keep rolling and apply light pressure to make the roll light and firm. And as you can see, the sushi roll comes together nice into a clean, even shape. Now I will show you another chicken roll, and next I will show you the tuna filling. For the tuna, I have already mixed with mayonnaise and little mustard to make it creamy and flavorful. When it comes to the sauce, you have options. You can spread it directly onto this rice, or you can add it on top of the vegetables. Both ways worked perfectly. This is just the basic method I am showing you, but sushi is very flexible. You can create your own variation by adding different vegetables like beetroot or even ingredients like eggs, prawns. There are so many possibilities depending on your taste. You can also try different type of meat or seafood. Traditionally in Japan, sushi is often made with seafood, especially tuna, which is very popular. But today, sushi is enjoyed all around the world and people make it in many different ways. You can even change how you roll it. For example, you can place the nori inside the rice instead of outside, or even make sushi without it. So feel free to experiment and make sushi your own. This is just a simple starting point to help you get comfortable with these basics. I will share with you what are the important tips to you should know. You can't make good sushi with normal rice like basmati or long grain rice. Sushi needs sticky rice to hold everything together properly. So it's best to use sushi rice or jasmine rice and cook it with little extra water so it becomes soft and slightly sticky. Another very important step is flavoring the rice. Sushi rice should never be plain. To get that authentic taste, you need to season it properly. Add some rice vinegar, a little sugar, and a pinch of salt to balance the flavor. You can also add extra like roasted sesame seed or even crushed cashew nuts or roasted peanut to give a nice crunch and extra taste. When it's time to slice your sushi roll, make sure knife is clean and slightly wet. After each cut, wipe the knife with a damp cloth. This prevents the rice from sticking and helps you get a clean, neat slice every time. And here it is, our beautiful homemade sushi made with chicken and tuna, fresh vegetable, and perfectly seasoned rice. You can see how colorful full and fresh it looks with the creamy avocado, crunchy vegetables, and flavorful filling in every piece. This is simple, healthy, and delicious meal you can easily make at home using basic ingredients. The best part is you can customize it way you like and your favorite filling. Try different combination and make it your own. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget like, share and subscribe to the channel for more easy and delicious recipe. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.